Hello guys, my name is Nick, and today we're gonna talk about how to create a collection folder with games in Epic Games Launcher. So for example, in your library a lot of different games and you want to organize them. So to do it, you can just click on the plus icon right here, or if you have this window, click on create a collection. So let's click on the plus icon, and here you need to name your folder. For example, favorite games, okay? And after that, just click on the create collection button. So at the very top, you can find a new collection. Okay, and now to add games to my folder, you need to right click on the necessary game, for example, Rocket League, right click on it and click on add to collections. So let's add this game to my collection, click on it, and now go to this folder, and here you'll see this game. So it was a short tutorial about how to create a collection with games in Epic Games Launcher. I think this video was helpful. Subscribe and like, and of course leave your comment. Thank you. Goodbye.